Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm reviewing a brand new cookbook, Batch from Scratch by Suzanne Mulholland, also known as the Batch Lady. This is the official companion to the Channel 4 show, and honestly, if you struggle with meal planning or knowing how to freeze food or just want some fresh meal ideas, this book might be for you. Batch from Scratch isn't just a recipe book, it's a complete 28-day meal planning system designed to help you batch cook your breakfasts, lunches and dinners so you always have homemade, nutritious, ready-to-eat meals without the last-minute panic. It's laid out as a step-by-step guide, including a full 28-day meal plan you can follow straight from the book, helpful intro chapters covering batch cooking basics, shopping, prepping, freezing and storing, and there's even space to write directly in the planner pages, which I love, which makes it feel really personal to your routine. What really makes this book stand out isn't just the recipes, it's the system behind it. Suzanne teaches you how to batch cook with purpose, so instead of cooking for just one night, you're prepping ahead for the week or even the month. That means less food waste, lower grocery bills, less time spent wondering what's for dinner, fewer supermarket trips, and more freezer meals ready to go. It's ideal for busy families, solo diners, or honestly anyone who wants to save time while still eating well. One thing I really liked was a variety of meal ideas, from breakfast all the way through to dinner. There really is something for everyone. Now I'll be honest, I'm a bit of a picky eater. There were a few recipes like the steak pie where I knew the original flavour probably wasn't for me. But what I loved is that the book gave me inspiration to tweak things and create my own version to suit my taste. And it actually turned out great. It was nice to try something new instead of cooking the same meals on repeat. Some meals that really stood out to me were the chicken shawarma, the burgers, and especially the freezing techniques, which were really super simple. One thing to note though, there are no desserts or snacks in this planner, so just keep that in mind. I also really like the meal planner section. Luckily it's Ramadan this month, so lunches aren't a big concern for me right now, but I've already jotted down ideas for breakfast and dinners. And the shopping list section, very handy. Personally, I wouldn't take the whole book to the supermarket, but you can easily snap a photo of your list on your phone. Everything is organised into supermarket sections, so you're not zigzagging up and down the aisles like I usually am. This book is perfect for you if you feel overwhelmed cooking every day, you want more structure in your meal planning, you love the idea of cooking once and eating all week, you're trying to eat more homemade food. It also clearly shows what can be frozen, which makes busy days so much easier. In short, Batch from Scratch feels like having a meal coach right in your kitchen. It's practical, easy to follow, and it really helps you rethink how to approach cooking. Not just what to cook next, but how to cook smarter. If you want to eat more homemade food and spend less time in the kitchen, this book is definitely worth checking out. Have you read Batch from Scratch yet? Or have you watched the series? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe if you want more food and cookbook reviews like this. Thanks for watching. Bye.